Probably this is not the first time you're hearing about affiliate marketing, but in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you great tools and strategies you are going to use to crush the market. Today, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to get started, and how to be making at least $200 every day. This is a great package that I'm giving you for free, but all I ask from you is to subscribe if you have not done so and turn on your notification button so that you not miss any updates that will be coming very soon. Now, affiliate marketing is that business model that you sell, promote other people's products or services, and you earn a commission in exchange. You are not the owner of the product. You are not the one to deliver it to the customer. All you have to do is to link the buyer to the product and then you sell. And how do you do that? You go to affiliate platform and you sign up as an affiliate. Once you sign up, you'll be given an affiliate link. It is this affiliate link that you'll be using to promote the product. If you get affiliate link, you get promotional materials. The promotional materials can be in form of pictures, videos, reviews, and so on. You also have to create your own promotional materials, and that is what you use to promote the product. And once a customer clicks to that link, it will lead that customer to the merchant website where he will make purchase, and then it will be credited to you. Now, your commission can be stipulated in percentage like 10%, 50%, 30%, 80%, and thereabout. Some commissions are fixed while some are recurring. So these are things you have to find out. You also have to find out about cookies. All these terms, I have explained them in my previous videos. So you can go and watch the videos, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, Full Course Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. You are going to see all these concepts and how I explain them in details there. The number of products you can promote is unlimited. As much as you can promote, you are allowed, and you can enter so many platforms and promote their services. But as a starter, you have to start from somewhere. You don't have to be jack of all trades so that you have great conversion. Affiliate marketing is something you can do anywhere as long as you have internet connection. You can do it anywhere, you can do it anytime. You can automate the whole process and you don't need to show your face, you don't need to be there. It is possible to start it without capital. Now, there are two types of products you promote as an affiliate marketer. One is digital products. The other one is physical products. Digital products are all downloadables. You don't see them. They are downloadable products and services. Something like courses, ebooks, audio, visuals, audiobooks, plugins, softwares, apps. So every product which you cannot see, which you sell through download link, they are digital products. Then physical products are products you can see, you can touch, you can carry them about. Household items and so on. They are all physical products. Good affiliate marketing network you can start with. The first one in my list here is ClickBank. ClickBank is a great place you can start with, but unfortunately, ClickBank place restrictions to some countries. So before you decide to go to ClickBank and sign up, you have to find out whether your country is accepted in ClickBank. There are other alternatives. If your country is not accepted in ClickBank, you can go to Digistore24. Digistore24 is a great affiliate platform. We also have ShareASale, Amazon, AliExpress, Zara Affiliate Network, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Now, let's make the money. Before I tell you the AI tools that will help you in engaging your audience, let's talk about things we are going to use to attract them. First of all, you need what we call lead magnet or free ebooks or simple reports. And there are websites where you can get all these things for free. These are PLR websites. That is private label right website. Private label rights books materials, you can sell it, you can recreate it, you can give it away, you can use it anyhow you want. You can even put your name as the author. So the website I'm going to review to you now, when you go there, you download these ebooks that relates to what you are selling. You download them and then use them as bonuses, use them as lead magnet to attract your customers. The first one is IDPLR. That is the website. When you go there, you see more than 12,000 materials which you can download for free. The second one is Resell Right Weekly. When you go to Resell Right Weekly, you sign up. In each of these websites, you have to sign up for free account. You can be a paid member, but sign up first for free account and start using their free ebooks. Their free PLR ebooks for your lead magnet. Go straight to the website and get your lead magnets ready. Now, the first place you should think of marketing your product is on social media. All your customers are there. What you have to do is to identify them, then you target them. When you target them, you attract them with these free ebooks or reports that you get from your PLR website. Then, to engage them with enough content, you are going to use these two AI tools to generate enough content without stress, so that you'll be able to be posting at least 2 times across all your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is, you'll be making short videos. The first AI tool is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is great for content writing, and the second one is Gravity Write. Gravity Write is superb. In fact, that is my preferred AI tool for content writing, and it is very good for bloggers. It can generate blog ideas, it will write the blog for you, it will also generate charts you are going to use for each paragraph. So use these tools and begin to post in your social media account. After making your post, you go to this authority website called medium.com. Why do you need to go there? If you have a new blog or website, it cannot rank easily in Google search. But when you link your blog or website with authority website, it will get recognized easily by Google algorithm, and then you will rank easily in search engine. So go there and create a free account and start writing. So after writing in your blog or in your social media account, after posting something in your social media, come to Medium, write the same thing but tweak the words, but you let it be the same keyword. Then you link that blog, that post in Medium to your social media account. When you write in your own personal blog, come to Medium and write the same thing, tweak the words, but let it be the same keyword. Then link that post in Medium to your personal blog. By so doing, your post will rank easily in Google search. I know now you are very equipped. And now let's look at it. Assuming you have account in all the social media accounts and you're able to, you are posting every day, two contents, three contents every day, because this is just pressing a button, generate your content and you post it, and then your engagement will be very high. Making at least $200 a day is very easy, because if you are assuming you are selling a product of $100 and your commission is 50%, you'll be able to sell more than 4 every day once you are serious. You have to put in the work, especially when you're using organic traffic. But if you want quick cash, you will pay for advertisement. You pay for advertisement. It will help to expose your products to thousands of audience, thousands of your customers, and when you target right, your conversion rate will be very high. But I know that with all this content, if you are serious in posting your content, you are not the one writing. If you are serious in posting your content, you are consistent in posting it, your engagement and conversion rate will be very high, and making $200 every day will be very easy for you. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done so. See you in the next one. Bye.